Bitcoin or Ethereum? Which one really reigns supreme in the world of cryptocurrency? For years, these two digital giants have been dominating the headlines, but which one deserves the crown? Is it Bitcoin, the pioneer and original cryptocurrency that started it all? Or is it Ethereum, the tech-savvy, next-gen blockchain platform with endless possibilities? Today, we're diving into the battle of the century, comparing their technology, use cases, scalability, and so much more to determine which crypto is the real king. Stay tuned, because this isn't your average crypto showdown. It's time to find out who comes out on top. The future. Which cryptocurrency will reign supreme? When we look at the future of Bitcoin and Ethereum, the question is not just about which one is better now, but which one will continue to innovate, scale, and meet the demands of a rapidly evolving world. To assess their future, we need to think about the long-term vision, potential technological upgrades, and adoption rates. Bitcoin's future. Digital gold and institutional adoption. Bitcoin's future, for many, revolves around its role as a store of value, a digital form of gold. Bitcoin's fixed supply, only 21 million coins ever, ensures that it cannot be inflated away by central banks, making it an attractive hedge against fiat currency devaluation. As the global economy becomes increasingly uncertain, more investors are looking for ways to diversify their portfolios, and Bitcoin has positioned itself as a way to do so. The institutional adoption of Bitcoin is expected to continue growing, particularly as more traditional financial players enter the market. Companies like MicroStrategy, Tesla, and Square have already made large Bitcoin purchases, and countries like El Salvador have even adopted Bitcoin as legal tender. This growing institutional adoption suggests that Bitcoin will remain central to the cryptocurrency space for years to come. Moreover, the Lightning Network, a second-layer solution built on top of Bitcoin, aims to solve Bitcoin's scalability problem by enabling faster, cheaper transactions. With Bitcoin slowly becoming more integrated into everyday financial systems, payment processors and merchants could soon adopt Bitcoin for smaller, more frequent transactions, similar to how we use traditional money. However, Bitcoin's primary strength will likely remain in its role as digital gold, especially as we look at future use cases. While it may never rival Ethereum in terms of programmable applications or dApp development, its value proposition as a decentralized, inflation-resistant asset has made it indispensable to the crypto ecosystem. Ethereum's future. The foundation of a decentralized web. Web 3. Ethereum's future, on the other hand, is rooted in its vision to become the platform of the decentralized internet, Web 3. Ethereum's ability to host decentralized applications to dApps has already made it the go-to blockchain for DeFi, NFTs, and more. As Ethereum 2.0 is rolled out and the network transitions to proof of stake, Ethereum will be able to handle more transactions with lower fees, improving its scalability and user experience. The Ethereum community has already demonstrated an extraordinary ability to innovate and solve problems. Layer 2 solutions such as Polygon, Arbitrum, and Optimism are already helping Ethereum to scale, increasing the transaction throughput while keeping costs low. These solutions offload transaction processing from the Ethereum mainnet, reducing congestion and allowing Ethereum to handle far more transactions than it could before. Beyond scalability, Ethereum's ongoing developments in areas such as sharding, a technique that divides the network into smaller, more manageable parts, will allow Ethereum to process thousands of transactions per second, making it more competitive with traditional financial systems and enabling new applications that weren't previously possible. Ethereum is also expected to play a significant role in the emerging metaverse, as virtual worlds and digital economies are built on its blockchain. NFTs powered by Ethereum could become the standard for digital ownership of assets in virtual environments. The rise of decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, which are powered by smart contracts on Ethereum, is also pushing the boundaries of governance models and providing more decentralized alternatives to traditional organizational structures. With DeFi rapidly growing, NFTs continuing to explode in popularity, and new tools for creating decentralized applications constantly emerging, Ethereum seems poised to lead the way in building the decentralized internet. Ethereum's capacity for smart contracts and its open-source nature mean that anyone with a good idea can build their own app, game, financial platform, or service on top of Ethereum's blockchain. Ethereum's future is not just about technology. It's about creating a whole new financial ecosystem. Whether it's decentralizing traditional finance, giving people more control over their data, or transforming industries like healthcare, gaming, or supply chain management, Ethereum has positioned itself to be the underlying platform for decentralized applications of the future. The role of governance and community. Decentralized decision-making. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum place a huge emphasis on decentralization, but the ways in which each network approaches governance and community involvement differ significantly. Bitcoin's governance. Conservative and slow to change. Bitcoin's governance model is often described as conservative. The Bitcoin community is very cautious about making changes to the protocol. This is largely due to Bitcoin's focus on stability and security. The Bitcoin network's development is primarily driven by its core developers, but any major changes to Bitcoin's code or consensus mechanism require wide consensus within the community. Bitcoin's governance model has led to a high level of security and reliability, but it has also been slow to adopt some of the newer technologies that have emerged in the cryptocurrency space. For example, Bitcoin's block size limit has remained fixed, meaning it has faced scalability challenges in comparison to Ethereum. However, the conservative approach to governance means that Bitcoin's codebase is less likely to experience radical changes. This approach helps to maintain its stability and trust over time, making Bitcoin a safe haven for many users. Ethereum's governance. Flexible and developer-centric. In contrast, Ethereum's governance model is more dynamic. Ethereum has made several protocol upgrades since its inception, and the community's willingness to evolve and experiment has led to a more agile development process. The Ethereum Foundation and core developers have actively worked on addressing the scalability issues through Ethereum 2.0, and the community has been receptive to implementing changes such as the transition to proof of stake. While this flexible approach has allowed Ethereum to remain at the cutting edge of blockchain development, it also comes with some risks. A more aggressive approach to change means that there is the potential for disagreements within the community, which can lead to forks or even splits within the network. For example, the Ethereum Classic fork in 2016 resulted from a contentious community decision after the DAO hack, highlighting the risks of fast-paced changes in governance. However, Ethereum's developer-friendly environment is one of its biggest advantages. By allowing developers to propose changes and improvements more frequently, Ethereum has maintained its position as the most active blockchain for innovation and new projects. 8. Adoption and real-world applications. Which one has the edge? When it comes to real-world applications, both Bitcoin and Ethereum have seen significant adoption, but their use cases are very different. Bitcoin's adoption. A store of value and institutional interest. Bitcoin's adoption is growing rapidly as a store of value. It's been widely adopted by institutions, with major companies holding Bitcoin in their balance sheets and hedge funds adding it to their portfolios. Bitcoin is being seen less as a currency and more as a safe asset, especially in uncertain economic times. Countries like El Salvador have even adopted Bitcoin as legal tender, and other governments are exploring ways to integrate Bitcoin into their financial systems. Bitcoin's real-world use case is clear. It's digital gold, a decentralized store of value for those who want an alternative to traditional assets like stocks, bonds, or even real estate. Ethereum's adoption. A foundation for DeFi, NFTs, and dApps. Ethereum, on the other hand, is the foundation of much of the decentralized economy. It's the blockchain for DeFi, decentralized finance, enabling peer-to-peer lending, borrowing, staking, yield farming, and decentralized exchanges. DeFi has exploded in popularity, with billions of dollars locked in DeFi protocols, and Ethereum is at the heart of this movement. Ethereum is also the dominant platform for NFTs, unique digital assets that are being used in everything from art and collectibles to virtual real estate in the metaverse. As the creator economy continues to grow, Ethereum's role as the primary platform for NFTs is unlikely to diminish anytime soon. Moreover, Ethereum's smart contract capabilities enable a wide range of other use cases, from decentralized insurance to supply chain management, and even governance models like DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. Conclusion: the verdict. Which cryptocurrency reigns supreme? So, after looking at both Bitcoin and Ethereum from various angles, the question remains: which cryptocurrency truly reigns supreme? The answer depends on your perspective and what you value most in a cryptocurrency. If you're looking for a store of value, a safe haven asset, and something that acts as digital gold, then Bitcoin is the undisputed leader. Its simplicity, security, and inflation-resistant supply make it the ideal choice for those seeking financial sovereignty and long-term value retention. On the other hand, if you're excited by the possibilities of decentralized applications, DeFi, smart contracts, and a vision of a decentralized internet, Web3, then Ethereum holds the crown. Ethereum's flexibility, programmability, and growing ecosystem make it the platform of the future, enabling a whole range of new innovations that Bitcoin simply can't match. So there you have it, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Both are revolutionary in their own right, but which one will dominate the future? The decision might not be as simple as it seems, and it all depends on what you're looking for in a cryptocurrency. Are you all about stability and digital gold? Or are you ready for innovation and decentralized applications? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let me know which crypto you think will reign supreme. If you enjoyed this deep dive, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on the latest crypto battles. Until next time, stay smart, stay informed, and keep your digital wallets ready.